Dance Night of Ubanda, Bulacan. It's a part of a 3-day festival in May that honors the three patrons of the town of Ubando in Bulacan. May 17 is for San Pascual de Bailon, May 18 is for Santa Clara, and May 19 is for Nuestra Senora de Silambao. The roots of this festival go back to the Kasilonawan, ancient fertility dance, said to promote pregnancy. When the Spanish missionaries came, they introduced saints to replace the local object of veneration. That is why celebration is also known in Tagalog as Pista ng Kasilonawan. The Ubando Rites is a Filipino dance ritual. Every year during the month of May, to the tune of musical instruments made of bamboo material, the men, women, and children of Ubando, Bulacan wear traditional dance costumes to dance on the street, followed by the image of the patron saint, San Pascual Bailon, Santa Clara, Nuestra Senora de Salambao, while singing the song, Santa Clara Kayong Pino. Last year, a couple, a couple, a couple wished to have a son, and they make up and back to the church. Among the fiesta participants in the fertility dance are the outsider from the other town in the Philippines. Most are asking the patron saints for a son or a daughter, a husband or a wife of good fortune. They dance on the street as a form of religious procession, primarily in order for the spirit of life enter into the wombs of women. This is the magic and mystery of Ubando in Bulacan. Tunghayan natin ang tataklara sa mga Pilipinas.
Okay, lumapit sa